I'm Jason with the All Things Open team. I'm here with YK. Please introduce yourself to the All Things Open community.
Sure. Nice to meet you, I guess. All Things Open community. My name is YK. I'm currently a developer advocate at Sourcegraph. And prior to that, I was a developer advocate at a few other companies. And prior to that, I was a software engineer and a content creator.
Great. I want to ask you about CS Dojo. What is CS Dojo and why are you so passionate about it?
Well, CS Dojo is, I originally started as a YouTube channel about 8 years ago now. And I started to just teach people about data structures, and algorithms, Python, topics like that. And it grew and grew as a YouTube channel. I've also been organizing in-person events, conferences, meetups, and I'm passionate about it because I really believe in this idea of letting people shine, like letting other people shine brighter than me. That's the whole idea of Dojo. It's not me, it's a place.
Love it. Thank you so much for your work on that. What's exciting about working on open source coding assistants?
Well, first of all, I like open source in general. I like this idea of the work I do, the work you do is public. Anyone can see, anyone can check it, anyone can, take inspiration from it, take code from it. I just think it's really, really cool in general. And coding assistants, I'm passionate about them because there's a reinforcement, self-improvement cycle that happens. If you improve your coding assistant, you can use it to build itself, and it gets faster and faster.
Do you have any tips, best practices, or new tools that you're using that we can share with the All Things Open community?
Definitely. I mean, I can share non-AI tools probably, but I'll just focus on AI since we're already talking about that.
Sure.
ChatGPT is obviously one, but one that I feel like people don't realize is you can talk to it. You can click the microphone button, and then that converts your voice into text. That's sometimes much faster than typing stuff. And then once you run out of usage, there are a couple of other tools that I personally recommend. One is Bing Image Generator. You can generate images for free. Another one is Google AI Studio. And then the last one I would recommend is the one I'm working on, Sourcegraph Cody.
Great. Can you tell us more about Sourcegraph?
Sure. So Sourcegraph started about 10 years ago, or maybe 11 now, as a code.
As time blurs, yeah.
Yes. As a code search engine company, it goes across your code hosts, GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, anything you have, and it's able to do search across all of these different hosts. And about I think two-ish years ago, we started a new project that's called Cody. It's our AI coding assistant. You could see as a Copilot alternative, but better.
Perfect. Well, we're here at All Things Open with 5,000 of our open source friends. Do you have any advice you can offer conference attendees on what they can take, how they can take all this learning and apply it to life after they get home?
Hey, this is Todd with All Things Open. Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate it. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. We've got a lot of new content coming we think you're going to be interested in. One final favor, be sure to go to allthingsopen.org, allthingsopen.org to see everything that we do. Back to the video.
I mean, first of all, take good rest. Take a nice flight, sleep as much as possible, as much as it makes sense. And after that, put it on your to-do list, put it on your calendar. I think this type of event is really inspiring because you get to learn a lot of things. But it doesn't mean anything if you don't actually put it into action. So make sure to put it in a form where you can take action based on that.
Sounds great. Great advice. YK, thanks for your time today. I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.